Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's Friday, so time for your love bite. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius. Will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Saggy gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin. Welcome back all of you, and welcome in all the newbies here. This is going to be a small 9-card spread to see what's going on in your life and what is the message for you today. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So let's begin. Bottom of my spread, I have the 6 of Wands in reverse. So somebody is not feeling very victorious in this connection. From what I see, Sagittarius, the first card here that I have is the Knight of Cups, the Tower, the 3 of Wands, 3 of Swords, 9 of Wands, Ace of Cups, Hierophant, 4 of Cups, and the Queen of Swords in reverse. My God, this is one angry queen I have here, Sagittarius, because maybe they were dealing with a promise breaker here, and the tower has fallen now and somebody's turned their back. Somebody is stopped fighting for this connection now, healing their heart, feeling the loss of this love. Maybe there were commitment issues here, but let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards here, Sagittarius, before we start clarifying these cards. So Saggy and their person spirit, if they had to say something to each other, what would that be? Saggy and their person, if they had to say something to each other. Thank you. Let's take 3 more from here. Saggy and their person spirit, if they had to say something to each other now, what would that be? And let's take a couple more from here. Okay, good to go now, Sagittarius. Let's begin your reading. The first card that I have here says, it pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know it's complete bullshit. Could be a third-party situation here, Sagittarius. I'm an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you're unable to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. So the other person saying, all right, if you need some time, you need to sort out your own life, do it, but it hurts me that you don't even communicate to me properly and explain it to me. Third card says, I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit, I don't like your ego. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us, escaping reality to somewhere really quiet when we can be alone. Maybe that's a problem between you guys. Like I said, that could be a third-party situation or some problem here that you guys can't find alone time. So there's a lot of fantasies going on. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. I want to hold you and never let you go. Please make time for me. We see this from 2 different perspectives. And that's when the issues begin. All right, let's see what's going on. I'm going to take up one angel blessing card first to top this reading, and then I'll start clarifying. So my angels, what do you have for Sagittarius now? What do you have for Sagittarius now? Thank you. And my angels bless you with a card of Triumphant. All right, let's put this beautiful card here. So one way or the other, Sagis, don't worry what's happening. Victory is still yours. Okay, so there's going to be some good news coming towards you. So Knight of Cups in reverse, the Tower, and the Three of Wands in reverse. What's that, Spirit? I think somebody hasn't kept up their promises. Somebody's been a promise breaker here. Maybe, yes, there could have been a third-party situation here. I have the Three of Pentacles and then the Tower falling. And somebody may have turned their back, and yes, somebody's, I think, turned their back from somebody who they don't trust anymore. They feel this person maybe has third parties, or they don't keep their promises, and I'm going to allow now the Tower to fall, and I'm going to turn my back. Let karma deal with the situation. I'm not going to now fight for this connection anymore. What's this Tower that fell, Spirit? What was this Tower that fell? Yes, this could have been a sexual connection, sexual relationship. Maybe you guys felt very attached and attracted to each other. This could have been sometimes the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups is seen as a playboy who kind of comes in and sings sweet songs and sells you dreams. But the same card is in reverse. So this person usually never keeps their promises either. So this could have turned toxic here. So what's this Three of Wands in reverse, Spirit? Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody is now holding back and saying, hey, I'm not going to deal with this. I'm going to turn my back. And I'll just see it as, you know, a karmic connection where I had some bad luck and a Tower again has fallen. Yeah, so this tower has fallen completely, I think. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Somebody is now no longer fighting for this connection. They're healing their heart, because now the love is also kind of drained out after seeing the truth about the situation. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, no longer fighting for this connection. No longer fighting for this connection. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody is healing from a broken heart here. There was so much love here at one point. There was so much love here, but this love, unfortunately, I don't think it's an unrequited love kind of a situation here, and this cup of love is now drained out. Because either somebody didn't fight for the connection, or maybe somebody is now thinking of giving up fighting for this connection. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit, in reverse? Ace of Cups in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse. Yes, third party situation. This could be a third party situation. There's big possibility, or maybe now there is a feeling that there is no chance of a reconciliation either. And that's why now the love is kind of ebbing out. This could have been a problem with some kind of commitment. Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Hierophant in reverse. Sleepless nights, stressing out, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, overthinking, missing somebody, losing somebody, and one more, Spirit, for the Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, somebody was kind of delaying it or tagging them along. Maybe whatever they gave was really small, or some message came to them that, you know, maybe somebody had dreams of a happily ever after, but maybe somebody came towards them with a message to say, an unemotional message to say, hey, maybe this is not going to work, or I can't commit. And now this relationship has come to a little bit of a stagnancy here, Sagittarius. Four of Cups in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. Somebody is really upset and angry. Yes, because they didn't find their Ten of Cups. This Ten of Cups dream has kind of fallen through, maybe because maybe somebody was holding back or has put some barriers between this dream to have this happily ever after. Somebody is now feeling really, really sad and lonely and depressed. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they've even lost their trust now. They don't trust their person anymore. There's anger, there's upset, and all they want to do is just leave all these troubles behind now and go and find peace somewhere where they don't have to deal with the situation anymore. And they're not happy. Yes, they're not happy at all. The Sun is in reverse, but they don't want to work on this connection either anymore. They don't want to see the truth because it hurts. It hurts to see the truth that a beautiful soulmate connection, is at least that's what they felt, was very connected and very nice relationship. Now it has some very bad memories attached to it. So yes, this person is not feeling at their best right now. Saji, this could be you feeling this way. This could be your cross watcher. I don't know. But Six of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Six of Wands in reverse. Yeah, somebody is feeling heartbroken big time. Somebody is feeling very, very heartbroken and is trying to escape this pain now. Maybe their partner left them or didn't do right by them or sneaked away from them, and they're feeling there is no more forward movement, and they feel like they were made to feel like a loser here. There is they feel this entire relationship has backfired on them. Okay, so yes, this angels are saying, don't worry, this is just a momentary thing that you're feeling like this. We promise you, keep your spirit up and you will be triumphant once again. Okay, don't give up this feeling. Don't go under feeling that somebody kind of messed you up, because you're not subject to anyone else, Sagittarius. You are who you think you are, and you are victorious. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. I'll see you again next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.